Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and I wanted to show you what just 5 hours of practice can achieve. So I didn't sit down and practice 5 hours over the course of one day because I don't believe that that's very effective. Instead, I practiced something that I wanted to learn for 10 minutes a day for 28 days. So it's a little bit less than 5 hours, but you know, close enough. So what I wanted to learn how to do was something called a tongue flutter. Now, tongue flutter sounds like this. Okay. Now, when I first started, it sounded like this. So over the course of 28 days, I gradually refined the technique, and you'll see that I just spent 10 minutes a day on this, and I recorded myself each day, and it kind of improved bit by bit, and this is what it sounded like over the course of the 28 days. Here I am, 28 days later, sounding like this. And, you know, I'm really happy with that. I've started using it in my playing. I'm still going to practice it to improve it, but that was 5 hours of practice. Now, I was practicing other things as well, as I would day to day, but I wanted to nail one technique, or at least make significant improvements over it. So, with this in mind, and because we're coming up to February, I want to invite you to do a 28-day practice challenge throughout the month of February, where you focus on one thing for 10 minutes per day. And what I've done to make it a little bit easier for you, I've created a Facebook group that you can join by clicking on the link in the description below. And I want you to post what is the one thing that you are going to work on for 10 minutes a day that you're going to improve. So I'm hoping that this is going to get you out of the habit of doing quite general goals, and you know, things like, I just want to get better, and really dialing it into one thing that you want to improve on. And I want you to see what just 5 hours of practice can do for that. Personally, what I'm going to be working on is a classic Sonny Boy Williamson riff from Help Me. He's played it in a bunch of tunes, but this is the version that I'm working from, which sounds like this. It's such a classic riff. I really want to learn how to do that. And currently, I'm kind of there, but I don't have the finesse. It's sounding like this. So it's a work in progress. So I'm going to record myself every day for the next 28 days and see how that goes as well. Okay, so let's do this practice challenge together and pick that one thing and see what you can achieve in 5 hours. All right. So before you run away and do that, please don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it. It's great for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to follow more of my harmonica lessons, then just hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new one. All right, take it easy. I'll see you next week, and I look forward to hearing in 28 days how you've done. Take it easy. Happy harping.